Hey guys, hey, this is Raleigh from the print shop, and I've got some cool news to share with you guys. I won a contest. How about that? I never win anything. So, when I found out I won this contest, I was so excited. It was actually run through Kingdom DTF, and I have followed their channel for years now. And the owner said, hey, we're going to run a little Black Friday contest. Sign up at our website. Now, originally, guys, I didn't sign up because I never win, and I assumed I wasn't going to win this time. But one day in my email, I received a reminder saying, hey, don't forget to sign up for Kingdom DTF's Black Friday contest or Black Friday giveaway. And I did. I went ahead, pushed the button, entered really quickly. It was a super easy process. And then next thing you know, I won their second highest prize. How cool! So I'm going to do a little unboxing. I've already opened it up and looked to see what was in the box. I'm sorry, I was excited, but I wanted to hop on really quickly and show you guys what I received from them because I am really happy and I'm so excited, and hopefully this stuff works wonders and I can just use them as my vendor from now on. I actually currently for DTF supplies use Blue Ridge Screen Products. I love their paper, but I haven't tried using their ink and their powder yet. So I was going to switch over to their ink and powder, but currently I've been ordering my ink through the manufacturer of my printer because it just works best. And then it's super freaking cheap. Like it's only $32 for a liter, I think is how big the size is. But yeah, it's super doggone cheap to just order from overseas. The most expensive part is the shipping. But yes, let's anyway get to the unboxing so I can show you guys what I won from Kingdom. All right, guys, as I said, I've already opened the box, so forgive me. Oops, I should not be showing my address right there. So, hold on. Let's get this bad boy open. All right. All right. So, they sent us the powder for the DTF printer. So, this was their DTF starter kit, guys. So, they sent adhesive powder. They sent 2 bottles of white ink. They sent one of yellow, one of cyan, one of black, and of course, we've got magenta. I'm so sorry about all of the movement. It's so hard to do this with one hand. You always hear people say that, but then when you really have to do it yourself. Okay, so we've got a pack of A3 paper. It's 100 sheets. It's cold or warm pill, and it's a glossy film. So we're going to use these supplies, guys, and I'm going to tell you how I like the turnout. I will see if maybe I can show you some prints. It's going to be a little difficult though because I already have powder in the machine and I definitely don't want to empty that out to exclusively use this powder, but the next time I need to refill, I'll refill with this powder. Let's see, is this coarse or fine? It does not say. But yeah, I'll let you know later if it was coarse or fine powder because fine powder gets every freaking where. And I am thinking about switching to a medium or a coarse powder. But then again, the paper as well, that of course has a big deal to do with the outcome of your prints. So that I'll be able to tell you guys what it's like. The ink, on the other hand, is going to be really difficult because, again, I have ink in the machine. I'm not going to empty it out to fill it exclusively with this. But when it is time to refill, I will test it out and see if I get good results. I will tell you guys in a bind, don't talk junk about me, but just listen first. In a bind, I needed some white ink and I needed it fast, so I ordered through Amazon because it could get here same day. And I had so much banding after that. Like, I had to change all of the settings. Okay, there you go. So I had to change all of the settings in my print software because the printer was like it was putting down white ink, and from the previous settings, which were fine with the ink I was previously using, those settings were now putting down so much ink, or the ink was so thin that it was just running and dripping everywhere. So I learned my lesson the hard way, not to order ink through Amazon. But yeah, I went back to the manufacturer ink and I've been fine ever since. And when I test this one out, I'll let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, guys, support Kingdom DTF because they did not have to run this contest. They did not have to send freebies out. I know they sent like 4 or 5 gift cards out to people. Someone actually won Fiery software. They gave out a lot. Even this package that I won, I believe someone else got one as well. So support them, guys, because they didn't have to give this stuff out. And as a small business, it is very costly to do things like this, but you do it because you appreciate your viewers. You appreciate the people shopping with your company because they could be going anywhere else. So I'm going to continue to support them as much as possible. And like I said, if these supplies work really well with my printer, then I'll keep on ordering from them instead of going here, there, and everywhere. So, all right, guys, that is it. I just wanted to show you my little prize that I won. I'm so excited. But you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Toodles!